Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. See this smile? See this box? This is the biggest box I've gotten all year. We're going to open it up. Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And if you don't know, you'll never know when I get a box, especially this big. I get so happy because it gets to use the knife on the box. This knife on the cut like butter. See what's inside. We'll be back. I got another box. Double trouble, double trouble. Well, you already know what it is. Okay. Of course, you know by now it's a Crockpot. Because I'm not trying to mess with that stove. There we go. Another box. Top. Gonna take everything out, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks inside. So I have an assistant today that's helping me. So I want to show you the Crockpot, and then you know I'm gonna break it down. So this is a 6-quart Crockpot, and here's the top. Nice thick handle, good rubber sealant rim, a nice hole at the top to let the air flow. I am going to leave in the description below the link for this, as well as a discount coupon. This is the thanks for purchasing, and this is who I'll be contacting for that discount. Here's a book. If you don't know, now you know. I'm going to read these instructions. So, this is pretty heavy right here. Let's set this aside for a minute while I explain this. This is the Crockpot itself. Nice, black. I don't see any chips. It is heavy. That's that. These bags out the way. Then, this is digital. I have a Crockpot, which you'll probably end up seeing. One I use for dip. It's just an on and off, smaller one that you may have seen. But I do have another regular Crockpot that's round, but it's not digital. And I wanted something digital that I could put on a program. What I do like about it is these little clamps right here for these handles. I don't know if you can see them right here, but it looks like it locks this in place. Put it down, lift up your handle, lift it right here in this groove. Same thing, lift up your handle, lift it in this groove, and then it locks it. And you can hear that snap, which I think is excellent, especially if you have children or a husband that like to get in the food. Just lock them out. So that's that. Close. I got some food in there, and I'm going to show you this digital, the power button. The minus hours. The slow cooker turns on into a standby state mode after it's plugged in the power cord. It'll have zeros, 5. Throw them like so. With the Crockpot!